Hi, in today's video I'm trying to somehow repair or service my Primus OmniFuel II multifuel stove. I use gasoline as a fuel and recently it has started acting up. It lights normally, but as soon as I open the control valve all the way and try to run it at full power, the flame goes out. So I decided to take the stove apart and give it the proper service as I can do. One thing I noticed right away was that the fuel wick or absorbent felt had become very brittle over time. So it had basically started to fall apart, probably because of age and use. So I'm replacing it with a new one. While I have the stove apart, I also cleaned the number 37 jet, which is the correct jet for gasoline. I ran the cleaning tool through it, make sure there are no blockages. After that I'm using a cotton swab to clean out and any dirt and carbon deposits from underneath the jet as well. And then I put everything back together and let's head outside and see if this solves the problem. Alright, so everything is back together. I cleaned the number 37 gasoline jet, replaced the priming pad that absorbs the fuel during preheating and gave the burner a good cleaning. Now there's only one thing left to do. Let's head outside, fire it up and see if that fixes the problem. And now I will pressurize the fuel bottle and I'll also let some gasoline into the preheating pad. So I release these valves slowly. And now there should be enough gasoline for the preheating. And next let's fire it up. so that all the pipes gets preheated. And now I slowly try to open the valve. There's a blue flame now. So what will happen if I open the valve a little bit more? It's quite hot around here, so I have to move the camera away a little bit. So now the valve is fully open and it seems to work. And now I slowly try to decrease the flame and the power. The noise level went down also. It's really nice that this OmniFuel II has this adjustable power. I will open the valve one more time for the full power, so we know that did we fix the problem. So now the Primus OmniFuel II looks like it works as it should. So the problem has perhaps been solved. It now has a nice blue flame, and before, when I opened the control valve all the way, the flame would simply go out, but now it seems to work just fine. So what actually caused this issue? I can't say for sure. It might have been a partially clogged jet, or perhaps the old preheating pad had just gone bad during time, so much that it was no longer absorbing enough fuel for proper preheating. So replacing the pad and cleaning the jet seems to have done the trick, but it's impossible to say which one was the real thing, or was it just combination of both? The important thing is that the stove now appears to be working exactly as it should, and hopefully it will continue to do so on many future trips. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Have a great day, enjoy your outdoor adventures, and bye.